Welcome back to Kids Invent Stuff.
Hi.
Kids invent stuff.
Well, that was an entrance. I was not expecting that.
Welcome to Kids Invent Stuff, the YouTube channel where we bring to life kids' crazy invention ideas.
And this week we are setting a brand new invention challenge. So this month we have teamed up with a fellow YouTuber, Estefannie from Estefannie Explains It All.
So Estefannie builds amazing things on her channel, and she helped us take our pooping rainbow unicorn and make it so that it pooped jelly beans when people on Twitter sent out a tweet.
She's going to be giving you some inspiration for this month's challenge.
Go!
Hi, my name is Estefannie. I'm a computer scientist, engineer, designer, and I like to make things and put it on YouTube. My favorite thing to do is to play with electronics and connect them to the internet. So Ruth and Sean from Kids Invent Stuff asked me to give you some inspiration for their latest challenge. They want inventions that are activated by texts, calls, emails, or tweets. And this way you'll never miss an important message ever again. Here are 5 inventions to inspire your creations.
Top 5 inventions.
At number 5 we have Daphne's cat flap, which is a cat flap that tweets every time Daphne uses it. Daphne's a cat, by the way. And now everybody knows when Daphne uses the cat flap. That poor cat. No privacy at all. For Christmas, one village projected text messages and picture messages in real time on the side of a building. Because why not? Dr. Lucy Rogers made shoes that change colors every time someone tweets them, and they're really, really cool. I want to make them. I think I'm gonna look into it and see if I can make them, because they're really, really cool. Number 2, one of my favorite ones, Michael Reeves made a robot that lights up and makes a sound every time he gets a new YouTube subscriber. And I really hope he has turned it off, because he has like, what, 2.5 million subscribers? And that would be terrifying. And lastly, we have these Jurassic goggles that take a picture and tweets it when someone tweets at Jurassic Pie. And I made them because I always wanted them. Ever since I was a little girl, I really wanted these. So yeah, hopefully these inventions give you some inspiration for your creations, and I can't wait to see them.
A massive thank you to Estefannie. Please check out her channel, Estefannie Explains It All. There'll be a link in the description of this video. And remember to send your invention ideas as pictures or videos uploaded to our website, which will appear on the screen below. And the closing date for this is the 25th of November. So get sending in your invention ideas. Now, we loved that top 5, and we particularly loved Daphne's cat flap because we have a workshop cat called Tiggy. You might have seen him in some of our videos, and he has a cat flap just down there by the fridge. And recently, Sean and I made Ahmed's farting staircase, which means we've recorded lots of different fart noises. So we thought, maybe we'd like to be notified of Tiggy going in and out of his cat flap by farting noises. So we've installed a movement sensor above Tiggy's cat flap, which it works. I think it's time to get Tiggy to try it.
So who doesn't want a farting cat alarm?
A massive thank you to Estefannie. Please check out her channel, and a massive thank you to the ERA Foundation for supporting this challenge.
Thank you guys, and we are super excited to see kids' ideas for notification inventions. So inventions to make getting a text, getting a call, just a bit more exciting.
And if you like crazy inventions, then check out the rest of our channel. We build a different kids invention every single month.
And like this video and subscribe to our channel, and just stick around.
See you next week.
Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.